Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about how to peel asparagus. Let's get to it. Asparagus is great, right? It's wonderful, it's seasonal, there's a peak season to it, but hey, a lot of recipes just require you to snap or cut off the ends of asparagus. But if you want to fight food waste, get more asparagus in your tummy, less in the trash bin, here's a really easy way to do that. Before I get into, peeling asparagus, I'm gonna tell you how to store it just so you get the most for your money. So when you bring it home from the store, just trim off those ends, like just the very end where it's really dry, put it in like a glass jar or a cup with some water, a couple inches of water, and put it in the fridge. Stored this way, asparagus can last up to a few weeks. Crazy, right? To keep it fresh, it's the best way to store asparagus. Another thing that kind of matters when it comes to asparagus is choosing the right asparagus. So before I get into peeling it, just another thing to note, when you're buying asparagus, make sure you look for those spears that have a really, really tight head at the top. Tight head at the top is what kind of indicates that it's really, really fresh. Also, the bunch should sort of feel a little bit heavy for its size. If you buy really great asparagus and you store it properly, you're gonna have the best asparagus ever. And here is how you peel it. Sorry it took me a while to get to that. So what you want to do is just take the asparagus, lay it flat on the table, trim off the ends if any of it is dried out or wilted, trim off those ends just a little bit, not a whole lot, hold it by the top part of the asparagus, and then using a vegetable peeler, just peel off the couple inches at the end until you kind of see like the lighter green or the white part of the asparagus. That's when you stop. By doing so, that way you can eat the whole spear versus throwing that stuff in the waste bin. When you're doing this, one thing that's really important is you want to make sure that it is on a table that you're kind of holding the asparagus down, because if you do this in air, because asparagus is so fragile, it might actually snap. So just make sure you have it on the table, peel away from you, just a few inches at the bottom. When you see that green light asparagus, you're good to go. And that's how you peel asparagus. Super easy, right? If you like this tip, give me a thumbs up. Something that you want to see, hey, drop a comment down below. If you like to cook like I do, I release new videos every single week. See you next time. But if you want to fight